Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, the place where we dive deep into the fascinating realms of psychology and human behavior. Today, we're exploring a topic that's as intriguing as it is controversial: evolutionary psychology and its implications on women's relationship behaviors. Get ready to embark on a journey through time, examining how these behaviors might be deeply rooted in our survival and reproduction instincts. Before we dive in, let's brush up on the basics. Evolutionary psychology is the study of how our brains and behaviors have evolved over time to enhance our survival and reproduction. In the context of relationships, we'll be unraveling the mysteries behind women's behaviors and understanding the primal forces that may shape their choices. Segment 1: The Biological Blueprint. Our story begins thousands of years ago, in the harsh landscapes where our ancestors roamed. Back then, survival was the name of the game. Women, as the primary caregivers, developed certain behaviors that were not just by chance, but a part of their biological blueprint. Studies have shown that women tend to be more selective in their choice of mates. This selectivity can be traced back to the need for a partner who would contribute to the survival and well-being of both the woman and her offspring. One key concept is the parental investment theory, which posits that females, due to their higher investment in offspring, both during pregnancy and nursing, are naturally more discerning when it comes to choosing a mate. This selectivity is an evolutionary strategy to ensure the best chances of survival for their offspring. Segment 2: The Attraction Game. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ourselves navigating the complex world of dating and relationships. But are our modern preferences and attractions influenced by age-old evolutionary factors? Research suggests that facial symmetry is universally perceived as attractive. Evolutionary psychologists argue that symmetrical features may signal good health and genetic fitness, making them desirable traits in a potential mate. Another interesting fact is the mere exposure effect, which states that we tend to develop a preference for things or people simply because we are familiar with them. Could this be an evolutionary mechanism encouraging bonding within social groups? Segment 3: The Mate Retention Dance. Now, let's talk about the intricate dance of mate retention, the behaviors and strategies that individuals employ to keep their partners committed. Are these strategies hardwired into our DNA? Studies show that women may be more prone to feelings of jealousy, especially in situations that could threaten the stability of their relationship. Evolutionary psychologists argue that jealousy could be a mechanism designed to protect the investment made in a mate and offspring. Social comparison theory plays a role here too. Women might compare themselves to others, especially in terms of physical appearance, as a way to assess their own mate value and potentially avoid threats to their relationships. Segment 4: Modern Implications. As we wrap up our journey through evolutionary psychology, let's reflect on how these ancient instincts manifest in our modern relationships. Even in the digital age, research indicates that women tend to be more selective in online dating, emphasizing qualities associated with long-term commitment. Could this be an echo of the ancestral mate selection strategies playing out in a virtual landscape? Hormonal fluctuations throughout the menstrual cycle may also influence women's mate preferences, with studies suggesting a shift towards more masculine features during ovulation. Evolutionary psychologists argue that this might be a subconscious strategy to maximize genetic diversity in offspring. And there you have it, folks, a deep dive into the evolutionary roots of women's relationship behaviors. It's fascinating to see how our ancient instincts continue to shape our modern choices. If you enjoyed this journey through evolutionary psychology, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow explorers of the human mind. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the wonders of the human psyche. Take care and see you.